Can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last?
You know, I don't look at you guys, most of you guys here, as roofers or PAs per se or attorneys. Most of you guys are entrepreneurs. And there's more to being an entrepreneur than just a roofing trade or a PA skill set or a law degree. Entrepreneurship is about doing unique things, usually at the bottom that nobody else is doing, to create new revenue streams and new things and new stories for yourself.
You will never lose again. You will never lose again, no matter what. You're gonna go out there and give it your all, and give it 100%.
The deals that I got done here, because it hasn't been open, right? The world hasn't been open, and I was able to actually get some deals done here.
Autumn, Anthony, Gina, and the whole crew
did a great job.
By coming here, you're getting a lot of knowledge from all these different components that actually what it takes to truly win the storm.
As a company, we've been to a number of different conferences. Win the Storm is by far the most effective conference that we've gone to.
There's people talking together and sharing secrets and sharing things that work for them in certain markets and competitors together that never existed before.
Just show up, take it all in. We've got a lot of great vendors. I've seen people here that their booth is just growing. Really great to see expansion happening in the industry.
I mean, if it wasn't for what's been happening with SVG, I wouldn't be where I am, because the networking and the relationships is what really counts.
I feel like it is so well done this year. Just being able to see all the people and all the energy.
Win the storm, baby. It's coming at you next.
Win the storm.
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 Win the storm. Get some.
COVID what? You know what I mean?